This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make steak a thing in Roblox Studio. First, launch Roblox Studio and begin with a fresh baseplate project. Next, navigate to the Model tab and insert a basic part into your workspace. You'll want to adjust its size and dimensions to closely resemble a piece of steak. Finally, select an appropriate material and color from the Properties window to give it that delicious, cooked meat appearance. This initial step sets the foundation for your culinary creation. Now, let's enhance the visual appeal of your steak. Head over to the toolbox and search for a high-quality steak texture or import one you've prepared. Apply this texture to your part, carefully adjusting its scale and orientation to look natural. For an extra touch of realism, you might add subtle details like grill marks. You can achieve this with small, thin parts or by using decals, making your steak look even more appetizing. To make your steak interactive, we'll add a script. Insert a new script directly into your steak part. Inside this script, you'll write code that detects when a player's character touches the steak. For instance, you could program it to print a message in the output window, saying, "Yum, steak," or even to slightly adjust a player's health. This brings your static model to life, allowing players to engage with it in your game world. Before you finalize your creation, it's crucial to test everything. Enter play mode in Roblox Studio and interact with your steak to confirm that its script functions exactly as intended. Observe its appearance and make any necessary adjustments to the visual properties or script parameters for optimal performance and realism. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals. With these final touches, your delicious steak is ready for players to enjoy in your Roblox game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.